Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sylvia D'Silva. Well, finally I have a video for you that you've been requesting for a very long time. I'm making a review on Faber Castell watercolors. So I've only used Camlin and Vincent Newton before. Well, I feel the Faber Castell are in line with the Camel artist watercolors because they're almost the same. Only difference is I like a few colors, like the one that I'm using right now. I think that's a crimson and it's really pretty. And it also has a very nice purple shade, which again, it's very nice. You will find that the shades of 18 are really good, good enough to make any painting. So you don't have to go for a bigger set, or I don't even know if there's a bigger set available. So I'm using a set of 12 Faber Castell Artists Watercolor tubes, which I have set up in a watercolor palette. Again, I do have a video on how to set up a watercolor palette, which you can check in my older videos, or I'll have a link in the description below, or a card pop-up. So yeah, if you're looking for subtle hints, it's really nice. So far what I've painted I really loved. I was just experimenting with it and wanting to see how darker it can go. So yeah, it is well, just as good as Camel Artist watercolors, and they're both in the same price range. So you can just buy this set and make your paintings, and I think they are also very light fast. So good luck, experiment with it, and show me your paintings, whatever you create with Faber Castell Artist watercolors. Oh, by the way, the watercolor pad that I'm using is a Strathmore 400 series watercolor paper, and it is really good. The thickness of the paper is great, and it takes the color really well, and the texture of the painting is something I have never seen before. And yes, it is cold pressed. I bought this on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. The 300 series Strathmore watercolor paper is also great. You might want to try that out. But then I do have a video on watercolor papers, and you can see details there. I've mentioned how to choose your watercolor paper, so you don't really have to go for this one. But since I am reviewing it, I would say that it is great. It's really good thickness and everything that I've mentioned already. So, if you have any questions, mention them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Do continue watching the time lapse, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.